What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new earning video. And today, this video is going to be about the frequently asked questions about JustPlay. And so pretty much for this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through my JustPlay videos and I'm going to go through the comment section. I'm going to answer some unanswered questions that some viewers have had about JustPlay. So stay tuned and let's jump into it. So here lately, I've been getting tons and tons of comments on my JustPlay videos. And so today I'm going to take some time out and I'm going to answer some of those questions and make sure everybody has their questions answered. And we're just going to go from there. And if I have to make a part 2 to this video, we'll make a part 2 for more questions. But for now, let's answer the ones that are unanswered. All right, so the first few questions about JustPlay come from one viewer. I told her that I would make a whole video around it. That way it would be more transparent and I would be able to elaborate more on the questions and everything surrounding the questions. So this comes from Jess and it's from one day ago, and this is where we're gonna start. So the first question is, does it matter what level you get on the arrow shoot game? And do you get more points for getting higher levels? So the breakdown of Treasure Master, each level that you go through on Treasure Master, as you go through, each level will reward higher amounts of coins. But it does not matter what level you get to or what level you go to, because every time you restart, like if you mess up and you miss and it has you restart from the beginning, it doesn't really matter, because the quicker that you go through and the quicker that you shoot the arrows into the little things, the faster your coins are going to add up. So it doesn't necessarily matter what level you get to or the higher level that you get to. Like, I've only made it to probably level 5, and so it doesn't really matter, because every time you restart, your coins are just going to add up and add up the faster you go through. So the next question is, do the ads in the game increase coins? So basically, based on what JustPlay has put on their website, you can visit their website. I'll put it down in the description of this video. But basically what they describe on their website is, it's not necessarily the ads per se, but it is how much time you spend within the app. So say you're watching the little ad videos at the very bottom of the app, and then you're going and playing your favorite game on JustPlay, and then you're coming back later on after playing your favorite game and say you wanted to try another new game. So you go and play that new game. So your total time amounted on the app will it'll kind of give you, so the more time you spend within the app, the more likely you're going to get more coins per payout, so per 3 hours. But it probably does help to probably watch some of the ads. I'm not going to say sit there and glue yourself and, watch the ads every time, but it does help your chances of getting more. And like I said, playing more games, playing multiple games, or even watching the ads at the bottom will increase your likelihood of getting more coins per 3 hours. So, next question. Do you really think there's any logic to how much you get? I've spent ages getting tons of points to earn like 40 cents, then got far fewer but more cash. So, I'm not going to claim to be like a JustPlay expert or any expert on any of these earning apps, but pretty much what I do is I review the app, I play the app as normal like anyone else would, and then I just document it and put it out there for everybody to see. So this app is very confusing about how they do things, but from what I understand is, so there are so many JustPlay users, right? And everybody's earning at the same time. So every 3 hours they pay out. But you're, from what I understand, what they say on their website is the payout is like a big pool of, say you're like, you're playing a game of like, say Go Fish, and you want to bet like a couple dollars between you and your friends. So you put in $2, say you put in $2, your friend puts in $2, and then your other friend puts in $2. So with all that money combined that everybody puts in, and to put it towards the app, so it's like a pool of cash that everybody earns. So each user earns, and it's a pool, and it puts it into a big pool, and then when it's time to cash out every 3 hours, they divide up how much they have earned between every user on the app, and that's how basically they determine how much you're gonna get. So that's pretty much what I understood from their website. And like I said earlier, the more time that you spend on the app, probably the more money that you're likely going to get. So there's probably going to be someone else earning more than you, but since it's like a big pool of money that's going to go to this person, to me, to you, and so on and so forth, I think that's how it works, but I'm not entirely sure. I will put the link to their website down below, and I encourage everybody to go to the website and look at the frequently asked questions and all of their other information. So the wooden puzzle game seems to pay well if you're good at it. I haven't done the math, but have you found this? The wooden puzzle game. I haven't played the wooden puzzle game too much, so I really can't say. But if the wooden puzzle game pays well for you, and you like that type of play style of game, I encourage you to keep playing the wood puzzle game. But as of right now, I haven't really tested the wood puzzle game. I typically only play the Treasure Master. It seems to be the fastest for me, but other games seem faster on earning for other people. So it could be different for me, it could be different for you. Do you know why a game won't pay money? Is it glitched? So if you're playing a game and it is not paying you money per like level or per whatever it says on the JustPlay app, I would have to say either try going into your settings and erasing your cache. It's not erasing your data for the app, but erasing your cache for the app. It's pretty much just a bunch of junk files that accumulate onto the app, and you can clear it in your settings, and that seems to fix a lot of the issues. But if that doesn't fix your issue, then I usually suggest people to email JustPlay through their support email, and I'll put all that information in the description of this video. And next question says, is it true playing a varied array of games gets you more cash? So like I said earlier in the video, it is probably very true. The more time you spend within the app and within the games that they showcase on their app, the more likelihood is that you're gonna earn more per 3 hours. And looks like their last question, it says, you say you earned $60 max. Was that in a 3 hour period, or was it the max total? So $60 is pretty much what I could remember offhand. So if you go back and look at my older JustPlay videos, I was playing the 24-hour version of JustPlay, which is totally different from this new JustPlay that we are on right now. And pretty much the 24-hour version, since you had so much more time before the cash out time, you could pretty much rack up coins. You could rack up millions of coins within the 24 hours if you really play JustPlay like that and their games. So with the $60 that I commented on underneath one of my videos, $60 is what I could remember offhand. So I made over $60 with JustPlay, but it was the 24-hour version. And with this new 3-hour version, I'm gonna be honest, I have not really played it that much due to using other apps, making other videos, and all different sorts of types of things. So $60 is the total, $60 plus is the total that I earned on the 24-hour version. And right now on this 3-hour version, I've earned probably a couple dollars or so. Like I said, I haven't really used this version as much because I have so much other stuff going on. I'm using different apps, I'm making different videos, and that type of stuff. So those questions are from Jess. I really appreciate these questions because not very many people are going to come to the videos and ask these type of questions. These are the ones that are going to help people in the future learn about JustPlay. Maybe you're new to JustPlay and you're going to see this video. Those questions will help new people or existing people wanting to play JustPlay. So just to go through, I'm gonna read some of these comments, and this one comes from James, and it's 2 weeks ago. He said, yeah, so I actually made 20 cents from 40,000 coins and 11 cents from 1.5 million coins. Not gonna say I'm not disappointed. So I did comment back, and I did say the app is not what it used to be. I will admit that the app is not like it used to be when I first found it. And when I first found it, I played it for 3 whole days, and I made over $7 within the first 3 days of playing this app. So that led me to drop the first JustPlay video, the honest review, and from there on I kept doing little reviews here and there every so often, like once a month or so. And over the course of this time, JustPlay kept getting updated, kept changing, and now to the point where we are now, it is now a 3-hour cash out. The old version was a 24-hour cash out. So I do have to say it's not the same app that it was. It probably pays a little bit less because there's so many people earning and there's so many people that has to get paid out to. So that, and there's probably other little things that will affect that. You know, there's lots of people playing, lots of people earning, and there's lots of people that has to receive a payout. So the more people that's going to be attracted to this app, the price will go down a little bit, I think. With that being said, if anybody has any more questions about JustPlay, you can comment below in this video and let me know, and we might make a part 2 to the frequently asked questions. That way you guys have a place to go to. That'll be it for this video. Thank you guys for joining in, watching the video, liking, subscribing, commenting, everything that you guys do. I appreciate all of you, and until next time, I'll see you guys in the next new video. Peace.